Students, so today we will do workbook exercise. This is your workbook. Open page number 27. Okay, so today we will do S3. First write here date. Today's date is 21 January 2021 and the day is Thursday. So students, today we will do workbook exercise of change in speed and direction. In the last class, we studied about push and pull. Then we studied about how push and pull change the shape. And today we will study about how push and pull change in speed and direction. Okay, students. So come to question number 1. Complete the table. These are actions. What action is being shown in the picture? You have to find out push or pull. And what is the effect? Like number 1 picture, a boy is pushing the ball. Pushing effect moves the ball and increase the speed of the ball. This game is football. In the football, number of boys are playing. Okay. So number 2. In this picture, a boy is pushing the ball on the upper side. Means process is pushing. Okay. And due to pushing, moving ball will stop. Okay, beta. So write stop the ball from moving. Okay, move करती हुई ball stop हो जाएगी. Number 3 point. Moving ball from this direction. A boy stop the ball and push in this direction. It means changing of direction of ball. Ball की direction change हो गई ना. So process is pushing. And what will happen? It change the speed and direction of moving ball. Okay, so it will change the speed and direction of moving ball. Okay, students, so push and pull change the speed and direction of things. Question number 2. Is the child pushing or pulling? So student, what this boy is doing in the picture? Boy is pulling. Boy क्या कर रहा है? इस string को अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है. Okay, that is pulling. When we are taking something toward us, हम अपनी तरफ कोई चीज खींचते हैं तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Pulling. It means this boy is pulling. So write with me. The child is pulling the string. Child क्या कर रहा है? String को pull कर रहा है. Okay, string of bow. Then how will the effect be different in each of the picture? Different कैसे है दोनों picture में? So number 1 picture, in first picture, child is moving, means child is pulling less, so arrow move at low speed. Okay, number 1 picture में child is pulling string with low speed, मतलब धीरे से pull कर रहा है. It means the arrow move with low speed. And number 2, he is stretching the string more. उन्होंने ज़्यादा stretch किया है string को, so the speed of arrow will be more. Okay, beta. So pushing and pulling can change the speed and direction of the things. Like in this picture, pushing can stop the ball, pushing can change the direction of ball, and pulling, the child is pulling the string of bow. First picture, child is pulling less, then the arrow will move at low speed. And Number 2 picture, he is stretching the string more, then the speed of arrow will be more. Okay students, do this workbook exercise. We will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.